guys. Today I'm eating. It's also nighttime.
Which are we going to eat?
Rice, sitaw, potato, and also broccoli. It's on this bowl.
Show me how to eat that. What is the benefits of the potato?
It's healthy.
All the vegetables are healthy, right? So all the kids must be
Eating it.
eating the
Healthy.
healthy foods. Like what?
Watermelon,
Mm-hmm.
carrots, sweet potato,
Mm-hmm.
nuts. Nuts count as healthy because it has healthy fats.
Yes. What else?
Lettuce, cauliflower,
Cauliflower.
it has cornflower.
You know how to cook?
What did you say?
Do you know how to cook?
It has corn in its name, not cook.
What you say?
It has corn in its name, not cook.
No, I mean, do you know how to cook the food? Your own food?
Even when I'm like 10 or 12.
Right now you cannot do by yourself? Why, how old are you?
5.
When is your birthday?
September. Also, when in September, but he's just sleeping over there.
September what?
Not the same day, but 28.
For you, September 28.
But for Winmin,
What is the year?
April,
No, September 28, 2020. That is your born date.
but what day is it now?
Today is 2026 this year. So
But
it's
how about the month? How about
month. It's April. Today is April 4.
next stop is my vacation.
Next month. So okay, continue. Continue what you're eating.
Hi, Kirdewins. Oh, bye.
Finish. Also, please subscribe to my channel
Please subscribe to my channel, bye.
and follow me on my Facebook page.
And also, I also have this water bottle. You can get it in plate because I went in the plate.